How to install Habib Metro Bank app. If you wish to install the Habib Metro Bank app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, depending whether you're using iPhone or Android, just make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. Once you've made sure of that, if you're using Android, open your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open your App Store. Then using the search bar, simply go ahead and search for the Habib Metro Bank application. You'll find a mobile banking app which is Habib Metro Insta mobile app. This is the official app from them. So what you want to do is, if you have not yet installed it, you'll find the install button right over there, from where you'll be able to install it for Android. If you're on iPhone, you'll find the get or the cloud-like download icon, which you must also verify if asked using your biometrics to be able to download and install the app. Then after that, depending upon the strength of your internet connection, it will be successfully downloaded. That's all it takes to install Habib Metro Bank app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.